Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Kiwano melon is an exotic, peculiar looking fruit from the central and southern regions of Africa. It is formally known as Cucumis metuliferus. However, it informally also goes by horned melon and African horned cucumber. When ripened, the thick outer skin of a Kiwano melon is bright orange and covered in small spiny projections or horns. The inner flesh consists of a gelatinous lime green or yellow substance that houses a multitude of edible seeds. Benefits of Kiwano: weight loss. Considering that this fruit is more than 80% water, it has the ability to make one feel full without packing on any pounds. People trying to lose weight without feeling hungry all the time often reach for a Kiwano to stave off hunger pangs. The high concentration of nutrients also keeps your body nutrient rich even though the fruit is low in calories and fats. Antioxidant properties. There are high levels of alpha tocopherol found in Kiwano, which is a potent antioxidant form of vitamin E. This is very important for the health of nerves and blood vessels, while it also seeks out and neutralizes free radicals. Eye care. The significant levels of vitamin A found in Kiwano make it an important booster for vision health. Vitamin A is a type of carotenoid which acts as an antioxidant for the eye, eliminating free radicals that can cause macular degeneration, while also slowing down or preventing the development of cataracts. Improves cognitive function. Although different nutrients can positively affect the brain, vitamin E is linked to slowing the onset of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The high levels of tocopherol variations in Kiwano make it a favorite amongst all who want to keep their minds fresh. Boosts metabolism. Zinc is a mineral that is often overlooked in human health. However, it plays a key role in metabolism and producing protein. This is necessary for wound healing and repair of organs, tissues, blood vessels, and cells. The high content of vitamin C is a perfect complement to the zinc found in Kiwano. This is because ascorbic acid is a key component of collagen, which is another key material in repair and growth. Slows aging. Between vitamin A, C, natural antioxidants, and abundant organic compounds, Kiwano is wonderful for staying young, both inside and out. It is known to protect the integrity of the skin and reduce age spots and wrinkles, in addition to lessening the appearance of scars and blemishes. These important nutrients keep the body younger by preventing the onset of chronic diseases through their intense antioxidant activity. Relieves stress and anxiety. Research has connected some of the organic compounds in Kiwano with the regulation of hormones, particularly adrenaline and other stress hormones. Thus, if one suffers from chronic stress or feel anxious, eating some Kiwano can quickly ease their mind and get the body back to a calm, relaxed state. Aids in digestion. Additionally, the high fiber content in Kiwano makes it an ideal digestive aid. Dietary fiber helps to stimulate peristaltic motion and clear out the gastrointestinal tract, keeping your bowel movements regular and preventing cramping, bloating, constipation, and serious conditions like gastric ulcers. Dietary fiber is also a key element of heart health as it helps to regulate the level of cholesterol in the body. It even helps to regulate insulin receptors, thereby preventing or managing diabetes. Increases bone strength. Kiwanos are also turned to for their high mineral content, particularly for calcium, in order to boost bone strength and prevent the onset of osteoporosis, while the other mineral in kiwano, including zinc, are important for bone development, growth, repair, and integrity. Calcium is the most desirable mineral for our bone health. Adding kiwanos to your diet. Kiwanos can be consumed raw or added to salads, shakes, and smoothies, and they can be consumed any time of the day. Word of caution: the bitter forms of kiwano, before they are ripe, can have dangerous levels of chemicals that are not present when the fruit is ready to eat. This toxicity can cause stomach issues, headaches, and fevers, but is not known to be life threatening. Also, kiwano is not commonly considered allergenic food. Recipe for kiwano salad. The ingredients are 1 kiwano, 1 yellow pepper, 1 bag of mixed salad, 250-gram cherry tomatoes, 30-gram pine nuts, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, and half teaspoon mustard, and pepper and salt also. Now for the preparation, cut the kiwano in half and cut in slices. Half the pepper, remove the seed and cut into small slices. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half as well. Furthermore, roast the pine nuts in a dry frying pan until golden. Then mix the vinegar, olive oil, honey, and mustard together to make the honey mustard dressing. Mix thoroughly with a spoon. Put the dressing into the salad and put the salad on the plates. Divide the cherry tomatoes and the slices of pepper on the plates. Place the slices of kiwano on the salad, and last but not the least, sprinkle the pine nuts over this and enjoy. Recipe for kiwano yogurt blast. Serving size portion. Calories 250 kilocalories. The ingredients are 1 cup horned melon or kiwano, 1 cup strawberries cut into halves, half banana medium, 4.01 ounce yogurt plain, 3 tablespoon Nutiva organic shelled hemp seed, 2 cups of water. Directions: lastly, blend all ingredients and enjoy.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.